guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reenacting my video that I accept every trade I come upon. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go down here, and I'm going to be starting off with pets that are kind of bad to really, really good pets. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to trade this girl first, I guess. Maybe I'll start off with, like, a rat. Let's see what people trade for that. Well, I don't know, people, like, always think that I'm going to give this pet because I can't give it. Alright, I'm ready. As I said, it's really rats at the start. Okay, this Magma, I need to... That's what I'm distracted. Oh, yeah. I guess that's a train. But they aren't going to accept. Well, they might if they really want that. Okay, so I'm going to be switching servers because I don't know if this trade is going, this server is going to be like trading that much. I think this is more like a world server. So I'm going to go change server. I'll see you guys when I'm in that comment. Okay guys, so I'm in a different server and I'm going to start trading. So first I'm going to trade her. And I'm going to start off with like a rat. Or maybe I'll start off with a penguin, I guess. Is not going to accept. So I'm just going to try it. But she's not going to accept. She declined my trade. I'm going to start off a rat now, actually. I'm going to trade a rat. I'm going to pick different animals for each person. Okay, now I'm going to do a rat. You know, guys. Oh, and these new circus pets are so cool. Circus pets, like monkeys, but I mean, they're really cool. When I try to add it, nobody like ever lets them add. Okay, she's not letting me trade him. That's what she's trying to do. Trying to trade you some good item. But it's not going to be good. Like, hopefully, this will trade to me. But if she doesn't, oh, I have to accept. And there's no way I'm going to decline this video. Like in the last one, I accidentally declined. Okay, well, she declined when I couldn't do that for free. Yep, showed up. And it, nobody's like accepting. Maybe I could change the word again. I'm trying to. Trading. Oh, another union. And this girl has, like, kind of the same thing as me, except daughter, and nobody's accepting my trades. Maybe I should take out, like, the pen, and maybe people will start, like, actually accepting. So, guess I'm gonna go, or, okay, she's running away from here. Okay, I'm gonna trade, like, let's see, sure. But I'm gonna trade this guy. I don't really like, I have to accept all the trades, but nobody's accepting my trades. Okay. Put up a penguin this time. I got that for free. Oh, her name is something, but it doesn't. Yeah, I'm gonna accept. No, there's no possible way. folder. I don't know why. I already know it. Okay, they took away something. Please don't make me get. Please don't make me kill a cat. No, no. Maybe I'll ask them to add. I'm gonna ask them to add because, like, I really don't like this song. It's fine. So, it's fine because I'm not gonna say I would have accepted, but I just yeah, I didn't have to. They said no, I would have accepted, but I really didn't like it. I like free. Oh, that's kind of what I do. They have to accept, so it's gonna happen. Okay. They put a frog, which I don't really think's worth it, and then they added a kelpie. It's not too worth it. I guess I'm gonna have to accept. I had to accept that, but that's okay. Oh, this girl's a Bella Blaze fan. Really? Okay. Looks like it. Maybe she talks. Oh, okay. I'm gonna say hi, how are you? Really? What's my YouTube channel name? Because I don't want them to, like, see me. Oh, tagged Owl. So, maybe I should just ask. I'll just trust them. Oh, they said tags. Sorry. I'm gonna say sorry. And I'm gonna ask them, like, actually, I trust them. But only if they try me out. Like, when they're my fans, I normally do a lot. Oh, they said BRB. Maybe I'll trade them later. I'm pretty sure they're still in the game now. So I'm just gonna try to get traded. Oh, she's on Neon. Well, I don't know who that is, but I'm guessing it's kind of hers. Cute little neon pets. I love neon pets. They're just like so cute. I don't think anybody's gonna accept my trade here. So I'm just gonna go out here. Oh wow, there's a lot of good pets out here. Let me see what's maybe she'll offer me her unicorn. I wanna see what that person declined. Doesn't look like anybody. This person's pretending to be Moody. That's not Moody. It's not Moody at all. Guys, make sure you don't get scammed because a lot of people pretend to be people. So don't get scammed. Something like that. Okay, they declined that trade. I really want to get trade. Like, well, at least I got a deal. I'm gonna say, let me check how much it is. What if it's like, okay, it's 20. Maybe I'll, somebody said, okay, I might go, like, trade her something. Like, maybe I'll trade her and if gives nothing, then I'll give her the wrap. You guys, like, I'm going to see if she'll accept. She declined it. She doesn't know. Did she really? Okay. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. add. Let's look, let me see what they have. Oh, I was adding. But I guess it is that it's just kind of lying, but see, that's good. Okay guys, so they kind of declined. I would have gave them, but they declined. I guess I'll just like, maybe I'll do like a few more trades and then I might not like to get more, because this video is getting really long. I'm gonna try to keep trading. Oh, that's nothing on keeping. Maybe I'll trade something. But that's kind of cute. Oh, there she is again. I need to do this trade, kind of. So. They declined. Oh, I guess maybe this is. I'm gonna ask if this is her. Are you my fan? Job, man. You my fan. One sec, let me decline that trade and trade her and see. Oh, that was my fan. I'm gonna give her a few items because, I mean, she's in my fan, so I'm gonna give her a few good items. Well, I'm gonna tell her it's for free. And I'll say bye to Frosty, but I can probably get her again by trading. I feel like she's giving me her old inventory. Okay, she really wants this. Okay. I didn't want her to give me anything for it, but thanks for being my fan. Thank you so much. No problem. Let's look at the new pets I got. Oh, I got a Puma. I got a chocolate Labrador. I got an email and a red panda. That's pretty good pets. So I'm okay with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below your username for a future giveaway. And I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh, thank you. Bye guys.